Dude, you guys do not realize how hard I try not to laugh. Oh my, I can't believe I pulled it off, honestly. So, welcome back guys, welcome back to another video. I'm your boy Fredo, and as always, I'm bringing you guys another prank video. Now today, as you guys just saw, I walked into my sister's room and I grabbed her phone. So, right now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get everything ready, put the phone into the Gatorade, keep saying Gatorade, put the phone into the soda bottle, then I'm gonna put it next to her bed with the alarm on blast, so hopefully she wakes up and just gets ridiculously mad. So hopefully it's a good prank, hopefully we get a good reaction out of it. Do me a favor, hit that thumbs up button right now. I think it's gonna be a good reaction, and I'll see you guys next shot. I've set the timer for 6 minutes. It should give me enough time to go set the phone into the soda and then set the camera up and just run away. So this is how it looks, guys. And look, the phone is in here. So let me go set you guys up in her room, and then we'll see what happens.
Five minutes later.
A few inches later.
You got it? I didn't think you were gonna get it. Told you not. I didn't think you would get it. That was so funny. Alright, so that's gonna wrap up today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did like, please go down, hit that like button for me. Comment any suggestions for any other videos. Thank you guys so much for the support and the love you guys been giving me lately. Right now we're all getting ready to go out trick-or-treating, so today is actually Halloween for us. The day you guys will be watching this won't be, so I hope all you guys have a great, happy, and safe Halloween. Hope you guys enjoyed yourself. Thank you guys again so much for watching. Don't forget to turn on post notifications, because like I promised, the next video will be a crazy video. And thank you guys so much again for the support. You guys mean the world to me, and I will see you guys. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.